Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review on Phogary's Reusable Menstrual Pads. These are bamboo cloth pads for heavy flow. Right here I'm just showing you how I open my box. When you first open your box, you will see your wet bag, which you can use for storage of the clean pads, or if you want to store your dirty ones right before wash day. As you start to go through the pads, you will see each pad has their own unique, colorful, and creative design on the outer side. On the opposite side is the gray cloth that will touch your skin and absorb all of the menstrual fluid that comes out of you. This is a snap button close to make it secure. It is, here you see in another side, I just snap it there, and as you can see, it looks like the shape of a regular pad. These are leak-proof pads infused with charcoal, which eliminate the smell while capturing heavy flow for up to 10 hours, making these pads perfect for overnight. I tested this out with some water to show you on camera how well these pads absorb. I was very impressed. There was no leakage at all from these pads. The water did not spill. It absorbed it completely, and it felt like it could take the whole bottle if I needed it to. Here is one more demonstration of how absorbent these pads are. The water goes right into the cloth and there is no leakage whatsoever. After you're done with that pad, you can store it into your wet bag. These pads are perfect for anyone with a very heavy flow and also wants to save money on pads. They can become very expensive depending on how much you may flow. I give these a thumbs up.